Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll take a look at the new Sonos soundbar, Sonos Ray. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing for the soundbar, be sure to check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Stick with me until the end of the video for complete information about Sonos Ray soundbar. The Sonos Ray is Sonos' newest soundbar. Released in 2022, it's a 2.0 soundbar that you can integrate into your existing Sonos ecosystem using the Sonos S2 app. This is a soundbar as compact as it is acoustically impressive. It's also easy to use, and Sonos Ray promises an upgrade to TV, audio and gaming experiences. We have a rich, balanced sound, and Ray is perhaps the starting point for the first home theater system in your home. We are looking at a setup with two high-performing tweeters, a pair of meticulously designed mid-woofers and a proprietary anti-distortion technology, all for a clear, natural, and balanced sound. We have 4X Class D digital amplifiers tuned according to the unique acoustic architecture of the soundbar. We also receive a bass reflex system, equalizer. The Sonos Ray has a simple design. It's a small bar that's mostly made from plastic, with a plastic grill on the front. The bar's edges are rounded, which gives it a sleek look. We have a flat front grille that has not only an aesthetic role, but also to minimize interference near the surrounding surfaces, so that the soundbar can be placed even inside a TV stand. When it comes to soundbar's dimensions, we have a soundbar with a width of 22 inches, a height of 2.8 inches and a depth of 3.7 inches. Since it isn't very tall and having a compact design, easily fits between the legs of a 55 inches TV. It doesn't block your screen either. The soundbar weighs 4.29 pounds and comes in two color variants, black and white. The back of the bar has an opening for the inputs and the power cable. Looking at the connectivity, TV connection is made through an optical output and you can use the remote control already held for sound control. You can connect the soundbar to Wi-Fi with any 2.4 GHz 802.11bg and broadcast-capable router. It also has an Ethernet port for hardwiring to your router. Syncing the soundbar with your TV remote for streamlined control through the infrared receiver. Works with AirPlay 2 on Apple devices iOS 11.4 and higher. Sonos Ray features TruePlay that adapts the sound to the unique characteristics of the space in which the soundbar is placed. From the start we are promised a quick, stress-free setup, so all we have to do is take the soundbar out of the box, connect the power cord, the TV and open the Sonos application. You can also add speakers to create a perfect audio system, including in other rooms if you want a multi-room system. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on the Sonos Ray soundbar, be sure to check the link in video description. On the features side, we also find speech enhancement, which once checked in the Sonos application will boost the voice frequencies and clarify the dialogue. There is also the night sound setting, which reduces the intensity of strong audio effects, keeping the dialogue clear, so as not to disturb those in the house. The Sonos Ray soundbar supports stereo PCM. While it doesn't support Dolby Atmos content like the Sonos Beam, Gen 2, or the Sonos Arc, it can play back 5.1 surround sound content like Dolby Digital and DTS. You can upgrade the setup down the line with the Sonos sub and speakers like the Sonos One SL or the Sonos 5. In the box you will find the Sonos Ray bar, a power cable, an optical cable, a quick start guide and legal warranty information. Sonos Ray is the most affordable soundbar from Sonos until now. It's a perfect choice if you're already a Sonos fan, and its pleasing vocal clarity makes it the right choice for music and dialogue-focused TV shows. For detailed information and up-to-date pricing on the Sonos Ray soundbar, be sure to check the link in video description.